Nestled in the scenic embrace of a meander along the Jeziorka River, Plus House stands as a testament to architectural brilliance in Konstancin, a charming suburb of Warsaw, Poland. Surrounded by single-family residences and a quaint condominium across the street, this architectural gem gracefully aligns with an access road in the north, cascading gently towards the south, adorned with solitary trees and scattered bushes. The building's functions unfold within a distinctive plus symbol configuration. Welcoming visitors with its main entrance facing the road, it seamlessly connects to a spacious three-car garage, flanked by a cleverly positioned wardrobe beneath the staircase leading to the first floor. The entrance hall gracefully opens into a sprawling open space, seamlessly blending a living room, kitchen, and dining area. The seamless transition extends outdoors onto a charming terrace, further leading to a lush garden. In the heart of the living room, there's no TV to be found, but a captivating fireplace takes center stage, surrounded by a dedicated audiovisual projection room. The kitchen, a blend of open and closed spaces, harmonizes with the dining room, ensuring both the aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. This thoughtful design facilitates easy maintenance and enhances the overall experience for guests. The first floor, shaped like a sleek cube, elegantly faces the street with its narrower side. This architectural choice not only provides a natural roof over the entrance area but also extends to cover a significant portion of the terrace. Housing bedrooms, essential wardrobes, and bathrooms, the first floor is a sanctuary for the inhabitants. A strategically placed study, overlooking the street, offers a quiet space for work and reflection. On the entrance side, the building reveals just one window, contrasting with expansive glazing openings on the south and west sides, embracing the garden. These windows, slightly set back from the facade, benefit from the shade provided by the first floor cube, curbing excessive sunlight and heat during the summer. Adding to the design's intelligence, exterior smart blinds adjust their angles to the sunlight, harmonizing aesthetics with energy efficiency. The ground floor facade boasts a combination of plaster and graphite-colored fiber cement panels, creating a visually striking contrast. As we ascend, the first floor wraps itself in the warmth of Siberian Larch cladding, a nod to both sustainability and aesthetic sophistication. In the realm of architectural ingenuity, Plus House stands as a beacon of thoughtful design, seamlessly blending form and function. Its riverside location in Konstancin, Poland, adds a touch of nature's poetry to this architectural symphony. As Plus House graces the landscape, it not only captivates the eye but also redefines the very essence of modern living in the heart of Konstancin.